All right, so I'm back. I was trying to get it all oriented correctly, but now I'm here showing you how to make one of my favorite healthy first meals, or some people call it breakfast, right? But I don't necessarily eat breakfast in the morning, but you can eat this in the morning, in the evening, when you just need an afternoon pick-me-up or snack. Hold on 1 second, making sure my volume is on. Okay, so showing you the trick how to make a delicious and with the right consistency smoothie bowls. Now, I know a lot of people think about smoothie bowls, they think about actually acai bowls, and that's the proper way to pronounce it, A-C-A-I. But the trick is you literally could use any type of smoothie you want to make a bowl in the morning. So I am here on vacay mode, and yes, we have a nice kitchen in our vacation place here. But I travel with some cereal, usually, even when I'm on vacation. This is my homemade Paleo Crunch cereal. You can get the recipe on the domesticlifestyles.com. And I'm gonna show you how to make my smoothie bowl. Hey, hey. So I'm sure you can get some version of this recipe for the smoothie on the blog, but you can basically use any smoothie you want. Remember, I'm in a borrowed kitchen here, so I don't have all my regular appliances, but we're gonna use what we have to get it going today, and that's what we're gonna do. So one of the tricks to making a really good smoothie bowl is to use frozen produce to start. If I were home, I would be using frozen banana and frozen greens. Now, in this case, I do have the frozen banana. My greens are not frozen today, but that's okay. So, here we go. Of course, my hand is getting messy with the banana here. So, I'm starting with 1 frozen banana. I should have gotten a napkin, right? Now, we're putting the banana in for sweetness, which is really good, because I don't put honey or sweetener in my smoothie bowls because we're trying to make something healthy. Also, it's a good opportunity, and of course, you know, bananas are good for potassium, keeps you healthy, makes your heart work well. I'm gonna add some fresh greens in here. In this case, I'm using baby spinach. I'm not making a large portion in terms of the smoothie bowls because my people already ate this morning. I'm the only person who hasn't eaten, and I'm on mountain time, so you know how I love berries. So when you're buying your berries, make sure you're starting off with organic berries. And guys, if you haven't seen one of my videos before, or you don't know who I am Dr. Lisa Leslie Williams, pharmacist turned health and wellness blogger at thedomesticlifestyles.com. And I'm showing you how to use whole foods to fuel your whole living and do it with finesse and style. So if you're looking at these recipes and you want to know where you can get them from or where you can get more health and wellness inspiration, make sure to go to thedomesticlifestyles.com. You can also follow me. Hey, Kimberly! You can also follow me on Instagram at Lisa Leslie Williams, and that's all together. I know you like the kitchen. I like it too. Guess what? It's not mine. I'm using a borrowed kitchen today because I am on vacation. Yes, and even on vacation, I'm here cooking. So I put in my berries. I like more berries than greens, quite frankly. So these are my frozen berries. Make sure you use frozen berries. Now, if you were just doing a regular smoothie, you would use more almond milk. You guys know I make dairy-free smoothies, right? But because you're making a smoothie bowl, you want to use less. So I am going to put in, I'm really eyeballing this here. Let's say, maybe a 1/4 cup. So let's say a 1/4 cup of that. It's gonna get really noisy in a second. This is not the blender I typically use at home, but so we'll see. So we're gonna liquefy. I really don't want it to go too long because then it'll get too liquidy on me. Yep. So this is what I was talking about. I was trying to explain this to someone the other day. about when you're making a smoothie bowl, you don't want that runny consistency. You actually want more of a thick consistency for your smoothie bowl. So I'm gonna grab my spoon and show you what it looks like here. Do you see? So this is the thick consistency I'm talking about. And this is gonna be delicious. So of course I have the spinach in here that gives me some nice iron and folic acid. I have the organic berries, which are great for antioxidants and fiber as well. So this is gonna really be good and tasty. And then we have the banana in there for potassium and a little bit of sweetness. So I'm gonna grab my bowl here and just, I should have gotten a longer spoon, but just let that deliciousness all go in. Now when you see those nice pictures of those smoothie bowls at your your restaurants and stuff nearby, you know that you can make it at home and it's gonna be less expensive for you. So here we go. This is the thickness. This is the consistency that you're looking for. Now, what am I gonna do? Now this is the part where you have fun with it, right? I'm gonna just top it with whatever I want. So in this case, I'm using organic, fresh blueberries. I really wish I had a white bowl because then you would see everything pop. But it's so gorgeous, trust me. I'm going to use some fresh strawberries. And guys, listen, it's all about the organic eats, okay? But if you're worried about cost and how expensive organic produce is, I'm going to tell you, strawberries are one of the things you definitely want to buy organic because they have the highest pesticide residue. Now, if you're interested in more so about what other fruits and vegetables that you definitely should be buying organic, just Google Dirty Dozen and you'll see them all pop up there. And lastly, if I was home, I would put some pumpkin seeds on here. But what I did travel with is my Paleo Crunch cereal. I told you about it. It's just a delicious, tasty cereal with nuts and seeds and almond flour. And you can find the recipe on the domesticlifestyles.com. So I'm gonna finish and top this off with a little bit of that Paleo Crunch cereal. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, guys. Seriously, you and I wouldn't lead you wrong, right? Paleo Crunch cereal and some nice sliced sweet banana. If you wanted to, you could also put some coconut on here. Some flaked, unsweetened coconut. And my smoothie bowl is ready. So, this is what it is. If you have any questions, look at that. Isn't that delicious? This is the deliciousness that's happening right here. Huh? Whoop, do you see? Delicious. If you have any more questions or would like more healthy and tasty recipes for you and your family, make sure to go to thedomesticlifestyles.com where I'm showing you how to use whole foods to fuel whole living, in addition to, of course, travel, because, I love to travel. Guys, if you want to see why I'm right now, here's a hint. I'm on the lake. Make sure to go to Instagram, Lisa Leslie Williams, and see where I am right now and whose kitchen I'm using. But, bon appetit! It's so delicious. Let me take a TV bite. I've learned from doing live TV that you're not supposed to take these bites on television because then your mouth gets all full. But since this is Facebook Live, I'm going to do it.